Yo, young candlestick, what's popping, homie?
What's up, Brandon? I'm
good.
battling a bug right now, and we also have a gap and crap in the market.
Yeah.
Going on.
Yeah, shit. Let me put your screen up, man, so they can see what's popping.
Yeah, and I'll be a little bit quicker tonight. There's not a lot to cover, but a few key developments.
Yeah.
New all-time highs, and we started to really push up aggressively. So we have what's called broadening formation.
This is the S&P 500. I can't see you.
S&P 500. This is on a 5-minute time frame. So this is what happened intraday. We made higher highs into lower lows, into higher highs, into lower lows. So basically, that's what we call a broadening formation. It's really trendless, and it's tricky to guess where it's going to end up. But moving forward on the S&P 500, if it doesn't hold these all-time highs, we're coming down probably about 0.5%. We should find some support at that trend line. If we don't, though, then that bearish quarter one is back in play.
Oh, okay? Shit.
So pay attention to these trend lines. It's going to be key. Otherwise, if the market just holds support, it's probably just going to chop and grind higher. Okay?
Those of y'all don't know, man, Greg has predicted earlier that the Q1 was going to be a little bit up. Oh man, we got a super chat, man. Hold on real quick. I gotta say what's up to this.
Yeah, what's up? We gotta honor the super chats.
Because this dude put a lot of money in there, man.
Oh, hell yeah. Put it up on the screen.
Yeah. Yo, I ain't see. Where is it? How do I put it, man? Yo, the homie, man, he put $50, man. Thank you for your wisdom. God bless you. Hey, man, thank you, brother.
You were preaching. I really enjoyed what you were having to say. Because, like, changing your money is something that you can actually change. You really can't change too much about how you look. Like, I mean, you can get in better shape. But
yeah, you can get plastic surgery, you know.
That's true. But what? That takes money, right?
It takes money, man. If you focus on money, you can buy looks too.
Yeah, it's true. So it literally all just comes back to money.
It all comes back to money. Money makes all your decisions. All right, let's keep going.
Yeah. So S&P 500, just watch those all-time highs. I don't have a strong opinion either way on it. NASDAQ, we had a little bit of a false breakout. We broke out of this pennant today, but we closed kind of weak. So is this going to be what we call a jab, where it breaks the pattern and then sells off? Or is it just breaking and then it's retesting before launch padding higher? Okay. So that's QQQ. IWM, no red flags. IWM's just chilling towards all-time highs. That just looks like neutral to bullish. SMH, semiconductors. We noted this breakout over here over 374. Semiconductors rallied 5%. Taking a little bit of a rest day. So no red flags, no huge green flags. Bitcoin, still really not doing shit. Just trapped in this range.
That shit is a sad looking chart.
I thought this was supposed to be 300K by now.
It's supposed to be 300K, man. That's what they told me. That's what they told me.
This is the only asset class where so many people have told me it's supposed to be a certain thing, a certain price. Yeah. Like nobody says the S&P is supposed to be.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
It's just it's like a cult asset.
Like a cult.
And don't let me take away from the Bitcoin hodlers. It very well could squeeze. Like,
I'm saying,
I've seen it.
I'll benefit from that too. I've been dollar cost averaging in it, but it's like I'm not getting it. You know, I'm not putting. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, you know, looking at the markets, it really is tricky because it could be a rising wedge where you have higher highs, but not a ton of follow through. And so just be careful. If that breaks bear, that could be telling. Next week, I will not be live on the Victory Talk podcast. I'm actually going to be going to a meeting with the lead private wealth portfolio manager of Wells Fargo. And his name is Humberto Olivares. He's Venezuelan. And he's actually the brother of my childhood best friend from Venezuela that I was talking about the other day.
Yeah.
He's super smart. Like, his family is probably like the wealthiest family that I grew up with. And they're like super smart, super kind people. Right. He's the portfolio manager for Wells Fargo. He's going to be given the 2026 market outlook. And I'm going to be taking a lot of notes. I'm going to tell you guys what I learned from that.
Yeah, take notes, man. Take notes.
I'll
handle the market update myself. I'll be like, hey, man, is it going to get crazy if I do the market update?
Oh yeah, no,
It's
definitely.
gonna
It's
be good.
always
Listen,
good
man,
to
they ain't gonna
get,
be. It's gonna be a professional, man. I'm gonna have them gambling. I don't have no fucking rules.
yeah.
I listen. You got your Series 65
Yep.
CMT. You got to follow certain guidelines. I can say whatever I want.
Yep. I technically don't because I'm not registered yet, but that's something to look at down the line. But just to recap, he helped me get long on gold last year. Like I was bouncing some ideas. He's like, yeah, gold, it's good. That's basically what he said. Gold is good.
Yeah.
And he was not bullish
Jonathan.
on Bitcoin. He said it can probably go higher, but I'm not bullish Bitcoin. He says he likes blockchain technology, but he doesn't like Bitcoin itself.
Everybody says that. I love blockchain technology, you know what I'm saying? But I've been hearing that for 10 years, you know, like when's that shit gonna fuck? You know, blockchain technology is like, I don't think it's bullshit, but it's like, I almost feel like that's overhyped.
Yeah.
You know what it's like? You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of virtual reality. They've been trying to push virtual reality since I was a fucking kid.
Yeah.
And you know what I'm saying? And that shit ain't never got popular. I don't know nobody who uses anything virtual reality on a daily basis. Whether even with the Meta Quest from fucking Mark Zuckerberg said we was all going to be in the metaverse. Talk about being fucking wrong. You know? It's starting to, the blockchain shit is starting to feel like that virtual reality shit, where it's like everyone said it's going to be the next big thing, but it's all right, motherfuckers. There's been mad other big things in between then and now.
Have you seen this? This is crazy. The virtual reality meeting of Mark Zuckerberg and Lex Friedman. They did it in VR. Yeah. Like it's wild. Like literally they're like talking in VR. Like look at this.
And what year was this? This one
this was 2 years ago.
Yeah, Mark said this was gonna be the future. We was all gonna
future. 2 years later.
We were all gonna strap these fucking nerd glasses to our face and interact with each other that way. I got that device. I got the fucking MetaQuest Pro, man. I fell for it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. My brother has the MetaQuest and like he used it for like a few months and then just stopped.
It's like fuck up your retina, man. I don't know if it's good to have a goddamn screen on your motherfucking retina.
Definitely.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
It fries your eyeballs. You get like vertigo, like it's scrambling your brain. Like that's why I wear like blue light blocking glasses whenever I'm at my desk. Like otherwise my eyes are fried. And I got laser eye surgery in 2020. I was blind.
It was it was like that.
Lasers, yeah.
You
held a gun up to my eyes.
Yeah, that's dope. All right, let's get back to the charts.
Yeah. Well, while we're talking about Meta kind of looks just ugly. You know, it's an ugly chart. You know, it looks bearish underneath 640, bullish above 674. But you know, that's pretty much it. If we take a look at Amazon looks bullish, but it's a little bit up there. It might pull back. Retest on Amazon is 235. There's probably a day trade opportunity at 235. But I did say Amazon probably leads in 2026. And that's still the base case. So if you're looking for tech stocks, look at Amazon. Google, still my largest holding, up almost 3% today.
Yeah. Google's going hard.
I can't get a damn dip to add to this. This is the trickiest part about the market is like you wait for like really good entry points and it just doesn't come. You know, like we're finding that with futures trading too. So what you got to do is you got to like nibble your toes or just dollar cost average, but you can't get that full size into it. Pause.
Yeah. Well, listen, the two trades that we were given, one of them's turning out really good. The other one is yet to be determined.
Which one?
XLE is like it fucking reversed all the gains, you know?
Oh, yeah. And XLE, I would wait for Q2. That's what I was saying yesterday. Wait for Q2 to do your big buying. I'm still going to dollar cost average, but lightly.
Same. Okay. And I'm still holding the spread that I have.
Good.
I'm still holding that spread because it's like months out, you know?
Oh, it's at the end of the year. So at the end of the year, if XLE is at 55 or above, you turn $300 into 1,000.
Yeah.
Times however many contracts you have.
Yeah. Also, ITA. Now ITA is still jumping.
Yeah. It did that same gap and crap with the SPY. Yeah. Same gap and crap where it gapped up, pushed up, and then shat. But again, it's coming into that DeFi zone.
Yeah. Like, yo, listen, I added to XLE.
Yeah.
I feel like I added when it dumped, I added to it. Yeah.
I think like a good spot to get a little bit more size is 44. And again, I think the worst that this could get is maybe 5% this year or just in the next few weeks. So that's XLE. Again, we're long from like the 45 level, shot all the way up to 47.30. Now it's right back at the 45. That's fine.
If ITA goes back to my entry, I'll add to that.
Yeah. Just keep dollar cost averaging. Wait for Q2. So that means wait until about June to get your big size. So that's still 6 months away. I don't expect it to like tank or anything in between them, but it could sell a little bit if the broad market sells off.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Still long on copper, CPER. I think that this can double this year. It did have a down day, which is great because I can get more size into it. Pause. At about 34. So this is just like all accumulation for me. I do think that it eventually goes higher by the end of the year. Another one that I talked about is Las Vegas Sands, LVS. I talked about that short. Building up that short when it's quiet. Not a lot of people are looking at it. You grab some puts, you sell some credit spreads, and then today we finally get the unwind on big volume. So I'd be bearish LVS. Look for reload shorts if it starts to come back up to 65. Casino stocks are going to go into regulation troubles this year. Okay. So short casino stocks. LVS is my top pick for that. Healthcare, new all-time highs today while the market went from green to red. So again, healthcare, just got to wait for those dip buys back at support. I'm bullish healthcare. Another sector that's a little bit unusual. This is the China technology ETF. This is starting to break out, and some other chartered market technicians, they were talking about going long on this as well.
That's a what ETF?
This is the China technology ETF. So it's kind of like going long on China, but their AI version. Now it's un-American to probably invest in this. It's actually very un-American to invest in this. So maybe just trade it if you want, but I'm just saying it's probably going to go up over time. It's un-American though. You are investing in China.
Yeah, man. Listen, the American. Listen, I don't know. That nothing sound more American than giving up your morals for the cash. nothing sounds more American than that. You know what I'm saying? Nothing sounds more American than sacrificing your morality for money. So I'll be looking for an entry on that. You know what I'm saying?
It's just a chart. You guys aren't going to actually help out China. You're $100 investor.
You ain't got enough. You ain't got enough money to really move the market. Man.
Yeah,
you ain't got enough. You don't have enough fucking cash to move the Chinese technology market, motherfucker. And even if you did, it's the ETF, right?
Yeah.
So like China doesn't actually. Here's the thing: when you buy ETF, here's the thing: whose ETF is it? Who is it? Grayscale or what?
This is Investco. So Investco China Technology ETF.
Is that Invesco an American company?
I believe so. Let's
so you're not investing in China, right? Because the price of that asset is the price of an ETF is tethered to the underlying stocks, right? So you know, you can't even make it go up or down. You're kind of like riding the wave when you buy ETF. So it's you're assuming that the underlying stocks will rise if you buy it, right? And if the ETF is an American company, well, they're buying it. But the ETF is tied to the underlying, so it doesn't really matter. You're not actually helping the Chinese Communist Party.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? I hope I articulated that right, because it's the underlying stuff.
Yeah, you're not going to make a dent anyways.
Yeah,
it's fine. Some notable holdings in this: PDD, Pinduoduo, Horizon Robotics, Bilibili.
Billy up in there. Okay.
You probably get some Alibaba on this. Actually, no, Baidu. So you can take a look at those individual stocks, but I don't think this is going to make you rich or anything. It's just a sector that's probably going to go up.
All right. Hey, man, listen, and it's an American company that owns that that put together that ETF, so it's still USA.
Yeah,
we still you. It's all good.
It's all good.
It's all good, baby.
That's all I really had to say is just waiting on the market. Still long on copper. Wait for Q2 to get size on XLE, but you can dollar cost average into it. Things like energy transfer have been doing well. ET, you know, that's chilling today. Not really doing too much. EOSC, I'm still wheeling this one. This one's been a good wheel for a number of months. I think you can still wheel that. So if you have the capital for $1,400, you can get like $50 a week, guaranteed. As long as the stock doesn't crash down to zero, which I don't think it will.
I like it.
You know, I'm bullish NVIDIA. This is a nice high base on NVIDIA over 194. I'm just so jaded on the market. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because when I first started trading in like 2016, markets like got thwacked and they got hit hard. And like, I need to like get rid of that bias. 2022 market, you know, QQQ dropped 40%.
That's COVID, right?
No, that was on 2022. That was post C19.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, during C19, QQQ dropped about 30%. And yeah, I just remember when the Federal Reserve raised interest rates in late 2018, market dropped 20%. And like, we're just up here and I'm just like thinking like risk to reward. Like if too many people are over allocated long up here and then it sells off, you have a huge opportunity cost and you just could have waited to buy the dip. But it's also a monthly pennant, meaning so we got lower highs and higher lows. I could totally see this breaking out up. So the way that we resolve this monthly equilibrium is going to be super important. Like we're like compressing and it's going to break one way. Yeah. I don't know which way though. I wish I could tell you. Yeah. I got some more conviction on other, you know, stocks and markets and sectors, but this is important right here.
I know one thing. We've been trading it really well. Yo, we trade every morning in the Victory Trades Discord, and we got some fucking wins after you left, bro.
Oh, good one, man. Because Greg had to leave early. Bet that happened.
Yeah, I had everybody posted. Go show these guys the wins.
Oh, look at this. There's the Trade Alert LVS. Here's Jacob. He's making like $130. Boom. Membership paid for. Sony Lopez, he's making $750. Here's Pampy making about $1,000. Here's Nima. What's up, Nima?
Nima's up in. Nima's
hanging out. He's texting me. He's like, can you help me with futures? I'm like, yeah, come join the lives. Yeah. Shout out to Nima. He's not here. G Tomo, he got his $100 bill. Yeah, man. We got JD Davis. He's really consistent. Look at him. I bet that's what JD Davis looks like.
Yeah. Ethiopian baller today, bro.
Look at that. That's solid.
Solid work, man.
You are the GOAT.
That's because I was like, after I called out a trade, and I was like, listen, guys, I don't know if I'm the greatest of all time, but I'm pretty good. Because it was like, it was perfect.
Because it's one of those things when you're trading, like you need to be confident, but you can't get too cocky. You need to be confident, but you can't be too cocky.
I was in the zone today.
Yeah, when you left. I would say so.
Look at the results from all the
100% accuracy.
Yeah.
Gained so far.
Yeah. You guys want to trade with us? You can hit the Victor. You can join Victory Trades. The link's in the description. You can trade futures with us in the morning, and you can and you get Greg's trade alert straight to your phone. And we don't even trade futures with our own money. We use prop firms. The main one we use is Apex Trader Funding. If you get an account with Apex, you use code King Keto and you'll save a bunch of money. You know what I'm saying? But join Victory Trades and you can trade with us live every morning.
And if you're brand new to the markets, I do have a beginner's course, an options course to teach you how to execute the trade alerts. And then we also have a futures course that shows like setup videos, different ways you can trade.
It's all in Victory. Yeah, it's dope, man. I hope you feel better, man. My theory is
I'm starting to feel better. The podcast gives me energy.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
I'm on my 10th year and not getting sick.
Let's keep that streak.
Yeah, man.
I normally don't get sick too often, and I do rebound quickly, but I'm not as strong as you, and that's okay. We can't all be.
Hey, man, you're doing great, man. We all have our strengths and weaknesses. For sure. All right, bro.
All right, peace out, Brandon. See you, Victor.